Welcome to another video. Tapos lang umulan ng napakalakas, dumaan lang. So, last Sunday, we finally got the shark back. So, here she is, back again in the garage. Sobrang really miss this car so much. After owning the Ray-Ban again for 3 months, I realized how much I've missed this car because of the comfort it gives you. The leather interior, the automatic transmission, you know, that angry face. Yan. So I really miss this car. And this car talaga, it's me. It's for me. Alam mo yun? Talagang it suits well with me. Tsura niya, very professional, automatic, pwede pang work, and everything. Yun. So, anyway, the reason why we have this video is update ko kayo kung ano nangyari dito, because before, if you remember, if you've been following the series, it had engine problems, minor engine problems, pumapalya pagka-traffic, nagja-stutter yung engine. So reliable naman, you can use her, no problem, but then the engine starts to stutter every time nasa traffic. So inayos namin nila Richard in Streamline Auto Shop. Ang dami naming pinalitan, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. And I think there's a new problem kasi on our way back from Streamline Auto Shop last Sunday, when I was near the house, parang napansin ko lumusot yung preno ng konti, no? Tapos bumalik naman ulit. Tapos I test drive it again the day after, ikot-ikot sa village, and okay naman yung brake so far. So yung sinilip ko yung engine niya, yung brake fluid parang medyo madumi. So right now is a Wednesday. Try natin tumakbo kay JRC, papalit natin yung brake fluid, tapos bleeding na rin, para to refresh the fluid. Hindi ko pa napapalitan yung brake fluid nito baka naman makuha kasi doon. So again, first step, every time, if there's a problem with your car, always do the cheapest solution. So in this case, pag lumulusot yung preno, one of the cheapest talaga is, check ko muna yung brake fluid niya, baka madaan sa bleeding or cleaning, kasi meron naman siyang brake ngayon. When tinest drive ko siya, kumakagat naman. When I check online how much the part is for the brake master cylinder, ang mahal, nasa 10,000 pesos, no? So if after natin malinis ang brake nito, mapapalitan yung fluid, and bumalik na naman yung lusot, then that's the time I will pull the trigger and buy that part. Ang mahal nung pesang yun, 10,000 pesos, no? So first start natin for you. So welcome back to the interior of this 1999 Mitsubishi Galant VR Matic. Sobrang na-miss ko ang automatic sa Galant. First start. And may tumutunog na belt every time sa cold start. Dati wala yun. At pinalitan na namin yung belt nito kami ni Charlie way back. So probably, kasi hindi ginamit ni Richard to sa 3 months na nasa shop. So parang 2 times lang niya dinrive sa bahay niya. So probably natulog lang, no? Anyway, ba't ko na-miss ang Galant and ba't ko na-realize na mas kailangan ko ang Shark kesa sa Ray-Ban is because of this feature. That full beige interior. Napakalambot, napakabango, very convenient. Excuse me. The automatic transmission, because I do use EDSA back and forth every day going to work. And power seats, strong engine, everything. Yan. So I realized that where I am now, kung nasan ako ngayon, trabaho, whatever, with the family, mas kailangan ko to kaysa sa Ray-Ban. Kasi Ray-Ban, again, it's manual, medyo sporty-sporty, Fast and the Furious. So pang ikaw lang yun, pang sarili mo lang, pang weekend lang, and it's lowered. So there's a lot of limitations, but ito no limitations actually. The only limiting factor is the engine, because V6 automatic, so it's not that tipid compared with the Altis, with the Fortuner, with the Everest, diba? Kasi this is V6 gas, so yun lang yung limitation niya, no? Alright, so suabe so far ang takbo niya. After fixing everything that we did sa engine, mamaya explain ko sa inyo. Smooth na smooth, super bilis ng rev, mas lumakas yung makina. Hindi ko pa siya na-testing sa traffic, sa EDSA traffic. Kasi nga nagdalawang isip ako because of the brake issue that I had last Sunday. So ngayon okay naman, hindi pa naman lumulusot yung brake. So sana wag dahil delikado yon. So let's see if may mangyari ngayong araw with the brake. Dahil gusto ko talaga siyang palinis, palitan ng fluids to make sure na bago ang fluid natin dahil medyo maitim na, no? At baka magamot doon. At medyo mahal yung pesa. Again, 10,000 pesos, no? So, swabing-swabe so far. May pagbabago yung makina. So, very happy. Yung torque niya lalong lumakas, oh, ayan, no? Woo! Grabe. Parang mas nagalit yung makina ngayon. Mas gigil. Kaya hindi boring tong si Shark, eh. No, bagay na bagay talaga sa akin. Talagang, and I will keep her stock. Papalitan ko lang siguro ng goma because expired na 2015. Kahit makapal pa, it has like 90% tread life. Then probably yung automatic transmission. Fluid, papapalitan ko na. Ganda ng Z4, oh. Pogi, no? Kapit bahay. Automatic transmission, papapalitan natin para mag back to zero kasi 80,000 na siya. At yung history alam ko hindi para papapalitan yung transmission yan. Just to be sure. Yun yung mga gagawin natin dito, no? Yan. Here in Corinthians, swabe yung takbo. No? Nag-improve ng, let's say, 40%. Mas smooth lang yung rev niya and mas malakas nga yung torque, mas lumakas. Mas nagigil yung makina. So, yung ngayon na lang nangyayari is yung tumutunog yung fan pag naka-aircon. Pero nawawala rin sa umpisa lang. So, siguro kulang lang sa gamit or sa grasa dahil in-stock nga ni Richard. Hindi kasi niya ginagamit eh. Dami kasing kotse yun eh. No? Again, so far this car is perfect for me. Dahil I go to work, ako lang mag-isa. Wala akong inaalala, no humps, no sayad. I can go anywhere, everywhere with this car. Ang problema ko lang is yung steering. Medyo mabigat. So, medyo mabigat yung steering niya. Hindi ko alam kung ganun talaga as stock. So, for the owners out there, kung meron kayo nito, ganun ba talaga siya? Medyo mabigat and it's not light. So, medyo mahirap lumiko dahil hindi... Mabigat nga. Mabigat yung steering niya, no? So, sa traffic, kung pag ganun-ganun ka sa traffic, pasingit-singit ka, medyo mahirap ng konti. Yun lang. Other than that, bago yung wiper blade, ganda ng kain, the car is perfect. Punta muna tayo ng Shell and may RFID dito, pinalagyan ni Rocky. Kaya wala akong problema. Punta lang tayo Shell, again, paloadan ko lang yung RFID natin kung nakalimutan ko na kung may laman o wala. Because I plan to use this car sa office, no? So far the brake is okay, hindi naman lumusot. Parang yung naramdaman ko nung the other day, kinabahan talaga ako dun. Dahil syempre brake yan. Napaka-importante at sa EDSA ako dumadaan, no? See you later. Gasan ko na rin 500 para magkasukli. But here's the beautiful Galant back in Shell. V-Power. V-Power. Thank you. So pa-RFID natin. Load. Okay, so it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We are here. And syempre, GRC, one of our favorite shop. As you can see po, no, at hindi ako nagpa-schedule kasi hindi naman aircon. So nagbabakang sakali lang ako na walang ginagawa yung technician dun sa change oil nila and alignment area. So pwede naman, aantayin ko lang. May ginagawa kasi. So waiting game. Looks like maayos natin. And also, the coolant reservoir, nakabili tayo ng brand new. Nakalimutan ikabit nila Richard dun sa shop. So, ipapakabit ko na today kasi sira yung cap. Ang pangit tingnan ayoko. And that part is very hard to find. We got lucky. I saw someone posted online na nagbenta 900 pesos. So, binili ko na. Okay, so far the ride is great. Wala yung stuttering niya. At ang lakas ng hatak, lumakas sobra. Of course, the aircon is blowing very, very strong. That's why I love this car so much. I think this car suits me perfect, no, sa lifestyle ko. Okay. Buboy, oh, busy-busy ka.
Thank you, sir.
Busy-busy. Welcome back to GRC. So, waiting time. Ay, si Sir Buboy may-ari. Araw-araw andito yan. Bait yan. Alright. So, we are next in line. Sarap. Pag mga gito, pwede ambush. Antayin nyo lang. Basta walang ginagawa. So, teka. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yung brake. Ang dumi kasi. Ayun o, itim. I hope you guys yan. May ilaw naman pala. Medyo maitim. So, gusto ko papalit lahat. Kasi nga, medyo lumusot nung Sunday. Eh, sana, hindi naman sira yung master cylinder natin. So, again, the cheapest way always is ito. Palitan natin, i-bleed, baka makuha. No? Ginawa pala natin dito to fix the stuttering engine issue. Unang-una, the high tension wire, yan. Pinalitan natin. Again, thank you so much, JM Auto Parts. Sa kanila tayo kumuha ng pesa. Lahat ng pesang surplus, basta Galant, basta Shark. Meron sila, siya lang kausap ko. So, siya yung nag-supply sa akin lahat ng pesa. Pati distributor, ignition, pinalitan na namin. Ito, mura lang, 1.5 bata bili ko. Tapos yung distributor ignition, it's a whole assembly yun, medyo mahal yun. Kasi assembly siya, hindi naman pwede part by part dahil surplus lang. So around 7,000 ata kuha natin dun. Tapos, ito rin, yung map sensor, nagpalit tayo. Mga 4,000 to 5 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. So as you can see, ang dami natin pinalitan to fix that idling issue, that stuttering issue. Pero so far, okay naman. So I'm hoping na-fix na natin. Malalaman natin talaga pag na-add sa traffic na natin to, pag gabi, doon usually lumalabas eh. But so far, lang. So far, okay naman. Anong gagawin?
Bawasan muna po.
Madumi, no?
Opo, maitim.
Yun nga, sabi sa'yo, malitim. So, babawasan niya, bago mag-bleed, i-bleed na namin. Hindi pa namin na-bleed to. Maitim na yung maitim kasi.
Oo, grabe na po.
Grabe ang itim, nagulat din ako. So, palitan natin. Then, ito yung reservoir natin na nabili na Taiwan, no? Made in Taiwan. 900 pesos, brand new. Kasi, yung nandito, sira yung cup. Yan. Sira yung cup. Pareho naman ata. So, makasukat naman ata. Kung hindi pareho, kukunin ko lang yung cup. Worst case scenario. Kasi naka-rugby. So, that's it. Mukhang productive day tayo ngayon. And thank you, GRC. Maasahang shop sa mga simpleng maintenance sa ganyan. I super love this shop. Thank you. So, at least may nangyari. Successful day tayo ngayon. Salamat, Boss Buboy. Napakabait mo talaga. More power and more blessings sa'yo. No? Ganda ng shop mo. Ayoko umilalim, matabay, baka may makita na naman ako na hindi ka nais-nais. Pero silipin pa rin natin. Well, siyempre, kailangan natin umilalim. Pero wala naman ako nakikitang masama. So far, wala namang mga major leaks or anything. Meron konti dito. May konting leak. Hindi ko alam kung saan galing yan. Pero doesn't worry me. So far, okay naman. Aircon yan, yung tumutulong tubig niya. No? Boom! So, ang pag-brake, ang pag-bleed ng brake, dun sa caliper. Kasaluhin dyan. Ipapump manually, bubombayin para mawala lahat. All 4 tires. Okay, so bomba time. Kuya, nasa loob na. First tire, bomba. Pakita natin yung fluid sa inyo mamaya. Bomba na para lumabas sa ilalim. Tahimik, oh. Woo! Pa-change oil ko na rin ulit to. Na-excite na naman ako, no? Ano problema sa akin eh. Nahihilab ako masyado sa kotse. Again, this car is for sale. I will post this again kasi nasa akin na. Tinake down ko lang yung post kasi nasa Streamline. So now that she's with me, popost ko na siya ulit. I'm selling it for 190,000. Kasi this is not my car, guys. This is Rocky's car. At wala tayong budget pambili ng kotse ngayon dahil papapakinak lang ni Mrs. at lumabas na yung bill. Yan, so pinapalitan na ng brake fluid para luminis-linis. So binibrake, gumagana ang brake lights natin sa likod. Guwapo talaga, no? Mukhang BM. Talaga ako, guys, mas gusto ko itsura nito kaysa sa Ray-Ban. Mas modern, siyempre. Malayo naman kasi, 93 yung Ray-Ban, ito 98, 99. Mas curvy. mas bagay pang office. Kasi yung dating talaga ng Ray-Ban sa akin, pang binata. Ito medyo pang professional. That's why I love her so much. So, the boys are at the back. So, parang nauubos na natin yung maduming brake fluid. So, malinis yung sa system. Hindi naman daw lumulusot, tinanong ko. So, good sign. Baka nga talagang madumi lang kaya naging ganun. Pero, just in case na lumusot na naman, pag ito, gamitin natin bukas, Friday, dali natin yung office. Brake master cylinder. Bili tayo, 10,000. Kaya naman nila ikabit dito. So, if you guys need a brake job, bili kayo pesa, dali nyo dito, labor nila. Fluids, meron naman sila. So, lahat ng fluids ko ngayon galing dito. No? Saya, it's a productive day. Kabit na rin yung reservoir, sana pareho. Ay, pareho. Hirap hanapin yan eh. Ayos, bago na. Yan yung luma. Alright. And ito yung bago. Easy install. Di ba? Okay dito sa GRC. Mga simpleng bagay na ganyan. Kayang-kaya. New coolant tin, syempre. Linis, oh. Ganda pag mga bago yung mga reservoir. Puti. Okay na? So, tapos na. We have new brake fluid. Saka na-bleed na. So, kung may madumi man dyan, nalinis na yan. Ito yung mas importante, bago na yung fluid natin. Yun o, linis o. Ito yung puti o. Ayos. Final check. Linis. Sarap. Ganda pag malinis. So, bagong coolant. Diyan na. Alright. Let's head back home. Alright, so it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Tapos na, we are on our way home. We have the new reservoir installed. We have the new brake fluid. And we already bled the system brake-wise. Yan, ay! Yan, lumakas ah. Yan, lumakas siya, nag-improve. Better. Dati kasi medyo mas malalim ng konti than now. So, the stopping power is stronger. Oh, laki na improvement. Kasi guys, sobrang dumi talaga ng brake, no? So probably, matagal na nung fluid na yon. So this might fix the issue. So sana wag lumusot ulit. So papakiramdaman pa rin natin. The aircon is really cold. Ang init sa labas. Pawis na pawis ako. And shout out to Mr. Fix. Sorry if I get your name wrong. May subscriber din dun sa GRC. Nagpapagawa din. Kanina ng Toyota Hiace niya. So, he went there because he saw my vlog. He watched my vlog, GRC. First time niya ata. So, thank you, Mr. Fix, for subscribing and for going to GRC. So, di ba? Nakakatulong tayo. So, anyway, let's finish the vlog sa Giraffe ulit. Sarap ng takbo. Yung engine, lalong lumakas. Woo! You know? Pumipito. Smooth na smooth. Naganahan ako magpa-change oil dito ah. Happy with the brake job. Thank you, GRC. Lumakas ang brake natin. So I've got a strong feeling na yun lang yun. Madumi lang yung brake at tatambak yung auto ng almost 3 months sa Streamline Auto Shop. Dahil hindi ginamit ni Richard masyado. No? Pinalitan lang niya yung mga pyesa sa makina, basically. So again, that's why I'm telling you always use your car. Find time to use your car once a week. Kung wala talaga, make sure to start her kahit 20 minutes idle para lang umikot yung mga fluids, yung mga mechanical parts. Yan. Ganda ng E300 Benz. Siyempre, yan, gusto kong kotse yan. Kalimutan ko lang kung ano yung body type na tawag. Pero the E300, that model, very beautiful. Sports sedan, executive sports sedan, no? Dalawa dual pipe po exit. Ganda. Yan, sarap ng hatak ni Shark. Grabe, laki ng improvement. J Moto Parts, shout out again. Thank you sa mga pyesa. Mukhang okay lahat ng pyesa nyo. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin na-experience yung stuttering engine niya. So, sumabing-sabi pa rin. At lalong lumakas yung auto. Suabe. Alright. So, dito tayo sa clubhouse ng village. Green Meadows Clubhouse. Here is the Galant, the beautiful Galant. Ang sexing 1998 Mitsubishi Galant VR automatic, full option, V6, stock na stock. So with the brand new brake fluid, brand new brake water coolant reservoir. So I'm really happy I got her back. Actually excited ako kunin siya ulit dahil na-miss kong sobra tong auto to dahil nagagamit ko nga sa EDSA, papuntang office. Very comfortable. So ang dali i-drive, exciting to drive, hindi boring, at nostalgic. And pwede pa rin sumabay sa mga kotse ngayon. After all these years. Pwede mong i-park katabi ng Benz, pwede mong i-park katabi ng BMW, may respeto, may saludo sa guard. Diba? So this car really suits me and it's perfect for me. I love the color at coding car ko yan, 9. Kailangan ko rin iparehistro na. So that's the vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Please help me out. Subscribe na kayo sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Let's try to reach the 5,000 mark. For those subscribe, again, thank you so much for the support. Please leave your comments and let me know what you think. Any tips, any suggestions. Kung may mali ako nasabi, please correct me in a nice way. Happy car day!
Two different levels, I cannot relate.